Hi everyone, Namaste and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Best Teacher. If you have missed out my previous videos, please do subscribe my channel and watch out the educational, inspirational and interesting video series. In today's video, I'm going to talk about very important key ideas on how to make money in crisis. Before that, I'm going to ask you some questions. Question number 1. Do you know who are called VIPs? That's what everybody might have guessed. All those people enjoying power are VIPs. But VIPs I'm going to talk about is different. The so-called VIPs are the people to control everything in the world and make this beautiful world like hell despite having every resources. I love to call them idiots. Then the question is, who are the VIPs I'm talking about? Well, we all are real VIPs. Once again, we are the real VIPs. You know why? VIP stands for very influential person. We all influence people either positively or negatively in our daily life. People who have positive attitude, positive lifestyle will influence people positively, whereas people having negative attitude and negative lifestyle will influence people negatively. So decide now what kind of VIPs you wish to become. Of course, the answer will be the same from every one of you that I guess is positive. That's great. Question number 2. How many of you celebrate your birthday? I think all of you celebrate. Every year we celebrate our birthday. We wish the happy birthday to each other. Have you ever thought that you are getting older every year? Now the question is that, have you ever tried to update yourself? The world is changing every next moment. Are we making any changes on us? If not, just think whether it is necessary or not. Even your mobile phone won't support many of the programs without updating. How come you think of living the better life without updating yourself in this fastest growing world? Remember, this is not only the good time but also an essential time to change the mindset. So, the long lockdown worldwide has given lots of opportunities to human beings. That's a panic situation, of course, nobody can deny. But if we look at the positive side of COVID-19, we can find some beautiful scenarios on it where we can really get inspired and move forward. Let's talk how can we make money in the crisis. By the way, a crisis is almost 2 months older now and still ongoing. The authorities have claimed that this situation will continue up to 20 months and more. So we have no choice other than to learn how to survive and grow in the crisis. So let us discuss about making money in the crisis. After all, money has an important role in our life. There are 2 types of income or money. One, short-term money. By the way, short-term money is not shortcut way of money. In fact, there is no shortcut in the world to make money and get richer. 2, long-term money. Let us discuss about short-term money. People who are looking for short-term money or short-term income may be just thinking of making money during this crisis, and once this is over will continue their world profession. That's not a bad idea. We can think of growing in every situation. We can earn good money in online platforms during this time since we are locked up at home. Let's say digital sales. I was reading a book written by Shiv Khera. He explains that the sales is the only activity that generates money. By the way, sales is not only the product sales. Whatever we transfer from people to people is sales. Some people can sell the product, some can sell their service, some can sell the ideas, and many more. In fact, any activities you are doing and getting money out of it is sales. Believe me, in this world only sales bring money, nothing else. There are lots of online platforms who offer the sales activities such as network marketing companies, online sales companies, warehouse and delivery companies, etc. At another, we have financial trading platform which is completely online these days. All we can do now from home with the help of just internet we are using every moment. Network marketing is more than a sales job. In fact, this is the best business of this century. Either you work on existing system of the network or you create your own network marketing. So, the best way of making money in this crisis is to get into the online platforms. But remember, a lot of education training, and practice is required to get into these platforms to perform well. I will discuss in details about such education, training, and practice later on. Let's discuss about the long-term income. How many of you believe in investment? Does it mean that investing is just buying properties, stocks, cars, houses, and shares? How about investment in personal development, education, training, and all? For the regular income to come home, first we need to invest today for our personal development to train our brain. The training I'm talking about won't be available in ordinary schools. Long-term income in which we just do not focus on today's income. We plan for little longer. I have been talking to my last videos about getting prepared and moving in a plan. This lockdown and COVID-19 is the best gift to those people who really think of doing something in life. You can turn your passion to profession and you won't believe that you will become rich like the rich people we see today. First thing is to identify your passion, working on it, getting lots of education on it, and mastering on it. Once again, identify your passion, learn how to turn your passion to profession. Of course, it is not so simple and easy task. It is very difficult task for every one of us. But this is the only way of long-term financial freedom. If passion is so much important, how can we identify our passion? Some people can realize simply when they are in meditation. Remember, at least 30 minutes of meditation every day makes a lot of difference. Some people cannot find it out. They need to learn the process with the help of best teachers. I repeat, all the teachers are not best in this world. Very few teachers are best and who can discover your passion. Moreover, best teachers are very easy to find and very hard to recognize. You need to have some intelligence and skills to recognize the best teachers. I'll share you the ideas on how to recognize the best teachers in my next video. Let's focus on passion to profession. Turning passion to profession takes a lot of efforts, time, and courage. We need to separate ourselves from complaining crowd and practice seriously every day. Practice makes us perfect. I guess we have been taught this sentence in school. Do you think it is true? Does practice make us perfect? What if we practice in a wrong way? Is it possible to practice in a wrong way? Of course it is possible. If we do not know what is wrong and what is right, we may practice something wrong. Many of us, we have a wrong practice of eating. That's the reason we often visit the doctors. We can see some students practice their mathematics calculation for a long hours and still they cannot solve it out. The reason is that they are practicing with the wrong formula. Once they get the right formula, the calculation gets solved in a minute. If we have fake teachers also, we may practice in a wrong way. Who makes us practice right then? This is very important question. Only the real and the best teachers make us practice right. So make a correction of your belief that practice does not make perfect. Practice only makes permanent, as Mr. Shiv Khara says. Only the practice in a right way makes us perfect. Turning passion to profession is like building a pipeline, as I discussed in my earlier video part 1. If you can remember for how long that businessman struggled to build the pipeline. If it is so simple and easy, don't you think that everybody would have become rich and successful in this world today? Why only few hundreds of people are rich and the rest of the population is middle class and poor? So this lockdown and COVID-19 can be a huge gift for us if we really think of making it meaningful. Money is not just paper money that we work and get it paid. The preparation of something big is also an income in the form of investment. The time, the energy, dedication, and focus we put on to get something is also equals to huge amount of money. In fact, this is the real money what makes us lifetime rich. I believe you all want to become rich forever. So guys, try to remember today's key ideas. One, very importantly, use of online platforms. the other is turning passion to profession. This video is dedicated for the youngsters who really wants to be an entrepreneur. I hope you will drop down the comments after watching this video. I shall be coming back with the new videos soon on how to get started into an entrepreneurship, the best business school, train your brain, etc. Till then, all the best for your beautiful life ahead. We can be rich and successful. Have confidence, have faith, and keep going. Thank you. Most importantly, you are the real VIP. Keep your positive influence and positive lifestyle. Good luck. Thank you.